Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and if you're anything like me, you're always low on ore like me and my pals on this server that we're playing, and a really great pal to kind of increase your ore mining capacity relatively early on in the game is going to be Digtoise. It's around a level 30-ish character, so be careful when you're going after it. You need to be like a late 20s, early 30s level to get it. But it's really nice because they tend to only have one useful stat, and that is mining. And they start somewhere between level 3 and level 6 mining when you find them, and they are extremely useful when you need to just focus on having some pals that only mine and just do that day and night. And they're relatively easy to find, although it does take a little bit of traveling. They are in this desert area here, which is sort of in the middle of the central island cluster, but not too terribly far away from where you start. And we start like over here, and then you can go over here, and that's where the Digtoise is located. So when you're over here inside of this desert, you can find Digtoises kind of just scattered all over the place in between these birds. I find them kind of around this central Anubis statue over here. And really your best bet is to just wander around until you see them. They literally look like something straight out of a Mario game. They just look like a big Goomba-looking turtle dragon that also happens to shoot rocks at you and spin at you. So after you wander around, I literally found this one like right up against the outside of the Anubis temple. All you have to do is, well, defeat them. They're relatively easy to distract and avoid getting hit by because all of their attacks are fairly directional, and their spin attack is, while annoying, kind of slow and easy to dodge. So just get yourself a pal that does a decent amount of damage to them. Grab yourself some Giga Spheres or higher, because otherwise you're going to spend like 10 spheres just trying to get a hold of one pal, which is always annoying and a little bit wasteful. They're especially weak to water, so be careful that you don't have any water pals get involved in the mix and match, because that's going to make it even more difficult to capture one. But after a couple tries, you should be able to grab it, and they're a very useful pal to have around, in general. So just to illustrate how useful the Digtoise is, let me go ahead and get one out, and I'll show you how nice they are when you're actually mining ore. So they literally just retract inside of their shell, and they act like an ore cheese grater, and they will just go to town helping you mine whatever ore, so that you can very quickly mine either at your base or out and about, and they're just a generally handy early game pal to have. Now, if you don't want to go through the trouble of getting one of these, or it's a little bit too high level for you, there are some alternatives that you can get as well. So as an alternative to Digtoise, you might want to grab a Depresso. They're relatively easy to get early game pal. They spawn in this green beltway area right around this red zone, which is literally right next to the place where you start the game and spawn over here. And they don't have the highest mining stat in the world, but they're really easy to catch. They oftentimes have that bonus buff to them, that stat that allows them to work throughout the night so that they're always working, at least one of them. And they're, again, relatively easy to catch because they're only like level 5, so you can just run out here during the night because they are a nocturnal pal species, and go ahead and grab as many of them as you want until you find one that has a pretty decent mining skill. So as you get back to base, you can kind of see the different stats that all of your new pals have. The second Digtoise that I just captured has a mining level of 4 as well, along with the passive hardened skin. And you can also see that the Depressos all have a pretty good cross-section of skills, from animal handling to moving and shipping stuff, mining, and also helping you build stuff. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been my recommendation for early game mining pals. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.